Hey everyone! Today we have a super quick tutorial on how to connect your YouTube and EA account. It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube and log in. First, head over to YouTube and log into the account you want to connect. Here you can see I have already connected my account. Make sure this is your personal YouTube account, as brand accounts aren't supported. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Connected Apps. On the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click on Connected Apps. You'll see a list of apps that can be connected to your YouTube account. Scroll through the list until you find Electronic Arts, EA. Step 3. Switch to a personal account if needed. As I told you earlier, brand accounts aren't supported. If you're using a brand account, you'll get an error when trying to connect to EA. To fix this, switch to your personal YouTube account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Switch Account and log into your personal account. Refresh the Connected Apps page. Step 4. Connect to your EA account. Next to Electronic Arts, click the Connect button. A pop-up window will appear with details about the connection. Click the blue Connect button. If you already logged into your EA account, it will recognize it automatically. If this isn't the correct EA account, click Not Your Account to log in to the one you want. Step 5. Authorize the connection. Another window will appear, outlining what permissions Google and EA will share. Review the information, and if you're happy, click the blue Allow button. The connection process will take a few moments. Once done, your accounts will be linked. And that's it. Your YouTube account is now successfully connected to your Electronic Arts account. You're all set to enjoy rewards and exclusive perks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.